Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! It's Evelyn in Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today we are making a broccoli grape salad plus creamy, easy dressing. And this broccoli salad is fully loaded with juicy grapes, fresh cucumber, crispy bacon, and toasted pine nuts. The creamy dressing is so simple in a few ingredients. Okay, now I will show you how to make it and let's go. We will start. I will show you our all ingredients. This is our bacon, 1/2 pound, and next is 1/2 cup of pine nuts, and the broccoli, 1 pound of broccoli, 2 head crowns, and 1 piece of cucumber, 1 piece of red onions, and 1 and 1/2 grapes, seedless. Okay. The first, we fried our bacon. So, okay, in our pan, we'll put only 2 teaspoons of butter, unsalted butter. Put the heat in a medium. Okay. And fried our bacon. And the same time, also, we will cook our pine nuts and it looks like yellow now. Okay, now and transfer it into the plate. And now also our bacon is done. So we will transfer to the plates also. And this is our bacon. So it's finished. Okay, our bacon and our pine nuts is done. So we will set aside. Okay, next we need 2 pounds of broccoli cut into a small florets. And transfer to the bowl to ready to wash. But we will wash only a warm water. Transfer to our salad bowl. Okay. Okay. Next is cucumber. Cut the cucumber in. Okay. Transfer to the bowl. And next, red onions. 1/2 cup of grapes. So you can slice only a half. Only half. Transfer it into the bowl. Put our pine nuts and our crispy bacon. Okay. Okay. Then we will set aside. Okay, we will make a dressing for our salad. This is 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we will mix it together. Okay, now our salad is done. And then okay, we will put our creamy dressing. Very simple dressing. Oh, delicious. Yes. So looks delicious. Our broccoli grape salad. Okay, done. And then of course I will take a little bit to taste. I'm so excited. So looks delicious. Okay, now so good, so delicious. Everyone, if you like my video, you can follow the ingredients below and give me a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and click the bell for the notification. See you for my future video. Thanks for watching. Bye.